Spreadsheets and emails can quickly get overwhelming for tracking CMMC control implementation. Learn about PreVeil's new governance, risk, and compliance software, or GRC, that helps organize your CMMC documentation and implementation to get you compliant faster. PreVeil's GRC platform gives you a centralized place to manage your CMMC compliance journey. You can easily collect and organize evidence, assign and track tasks across your team, and monitor progress toward every control. And when you're ready, the platform generates assessment-ready documentation like your SSP, saving you time, reducing risk, and helping you achieve compliance faster. PreVeil's proven approach to CMMC rests on 3 pillars: a world-class platform for protecting CUI, a trusted partner network for expert support, and our compliance accelerator, which delivers the knowledge and documentation to speed certification. Now, our GRC adds the crucial final piece, bringing everything together to simplify and streamline your path to compliance. Let's take a look. This is a review of the main features and capabilities of the PreVeil GRC tool integrated with our compliance accelerator content. PreVeil's GRC software is an optional upgrade that gives PreVeil compliance customers a single place to manage, document, and track all controls, tasks, documents, and evidence for CMMC compliance. Once the user logs in, they start off with a dashboard view that can show multiple compliance frameworks. For our demo here, we can see the PreVeil CMMC framework, a summary of completed actions, and the current SPURS score. To explore the CMMC framework, we'll click in. Then, we see the controls list view, which shows the user all 110 CMMC controls. Organized by control family, each line shows a summary for each control, like implementation status and whether documents are linked. The user can filter the controls view by family or jump to any single control. Once we click into one, we'll be able to see all the details for each control. Note here, the assessment objectives for each control are separated and have status values for each objective. Controls are not met unless all objectives are implemented and operating as intended. Here, the user will also see preloaded implementation statements describing shared responsibility and control implementation from the PreVeil Compliance Accelerator content. In the left side navigation, various elements of the control can be populated. The next tab is the PreVeil Compliance Accelerator content library. This tab will show the available ACME example documents that can apply to this control family. The user can download, edit the ACME documents to match their own implementation, then attach the document to the appropriate control over the next 2 tabs. The policy reference allows the user to select a policy from the policy library and attach it to the control. But not all controls have policies. Artifacts, documents allows the user to attach procedures, screenshots, or any other evidence that support the control. Action items are single tasks that can be assigned to a responsible person and tracked to completion. Tasks are summarized in the dashboard and control views. Continuous monitoring is for assigning and tracking recurring tasks. Many control processes will require periodic review, update, or approval actions. These tasks are essential to demonstrate compliance over time. Comments, activity log, show a summary of the most recent actions of the users in the GRC tool and any comments that should be maintained. Now that we have control completely documented, let's look at the top navigation next. The Policy and Procedure Library provides a place to store these documents or links to the documents, including built-in version controls. Some controls require risk review and tracking, which is different from technology or process controls. Risk Management provides a wizard-like interface to build out your risk register. Simply identify risks during the required risk review and follow the steps to add them into the risk register as required. Approval provides a place to track and record any approvals that are required to demonstrate to an assessor. Reports provides a place for the user to run and archive any number of compliance reports that support a CMMC project. Common built-in reports include System Security Plan, Plan of Action and Milestone, Continuous Monitoring, and Controls Reports. Compliance Accelerator will take the user to the full PreVeil Compliance Accelerator ACME example document library. This content is also available for each control family on the controls view as we saw earlier, but can also be seen in its entirety here. Going back to the top navigation, Use the System Security Plan section to identify and store the company stakeholders, hardware, and software inventory data required in defining the SSP compliance boundary in addition to the controls themselves. That concludes our walkthrough of the PreVeil GRC solution, integrated with Compliance Accelerator and offered as a premium optional upgrade to your Accelerator subscription. Contact PreVeil to learn more.